Above 20%, it is 30% only.
Okay.
For a corporate also, minimum alternative tax is the only criteria. No changes at all.
Nothing.
All the benefits of export oriented has been withdrawn. All this nothing is there.
So this next year is they're saying this 5 lakh for the current financial year. They're saying this 5 lakh income tax limit will come for individuals. No? Is it coming?
Next year, yes. Of
For
course
this current financial year?
Yeah, already now they are up to 1.9 lakhs, it is exempted. 1.9 lakhs to 5 lakhs, it is 10%. 5 lakhs to 8 lakhs, it is 20%. 8 lakhs and above, it is 30%. So 100% they will come up with 5 lakhs option, but they may withdraw the 1 lakh exemption limit
Okay.
of the.
So it amounts to the same thing.
Then again it is 3.9, they will give 1 lakh only, it will become the same.
Okay. So if for the individual who is filing tax, who is preparing for next year's current financial year's taxes, what are 2-3 things they should plan now for?
See, now this year they have to be very careful on the insurance. It is not like insurance you are paying premium, it is allowed. On the policy amount, it should not be less than the 20%. They have given a parameters to the insurance policy.
Okay.
Like if you are paying a 1 lakh rupee policy, you are allowed only 20% of that, 20,000. For example, if your total premium is coming out of your 5 lakh rupees policy, you will not be allowed 20,000 deduction.
Okay.
So, the main criteria of the insurance they have to follow as per the insurance guidelines they have given. That is a major change is there.
Okay.
As far as the school children is concerned and housing loan is concerned, there is no change.
Okay.
Principal, they are continued with 20% of infrastructure bonds. You can invest additionally over and above 1 lakh 20,000 rupees on infra bonds.
Okay.
And 10,000 rupees on medical. This is over and above benefit of 1 lakh.
Okay.
Medical policy they can take it.
Okay.